If you need a cookie that comes together really quick, this peanut butter cookie has no flour and no butter in it. It is only 3 ingredients and they come together so fast. Once I get the dough put together, I do stick it in the freezer for just a few minutes just to let it firm up. It doesn't take very long. Once that happens, I roll them into balls. Look at how good this looks. These are delicious and it does not take any time at all. I buy my peanut butter at Sam's Club. It's such a good deal. I always have peanut butter on hand. So come along with me. Let me show you how I put this together. I will be sure to leave the recipe at the end of the video. And if you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. The recipe says you can add vanilla and salt if you'd like. I did not do it with these. Once I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix and get ready to put it in the freezer. I really love how quick this one comes together. It's so easy and you can have cookies in no time. And you can see how soft it is, but once you put it in the freezer, it firms up perfectly and you can turn that into little balls that you put on your sheet. I will end up taking a fork and pressing them down just like the peanut butter cookies look. I really love these parchment sheets. They just are so handy. You can just put one on your pan. I want to put a little sugar in a bowl. The recipe doesn't call for that, but I just kind of like to roll them in a little sugar. Keeps them from sticking too when you go to press them down with a fork. This recipe ends up making 15 cookies. Then I just kind of want to go through and make sure they're all nice and round. I'm going to go ahead and press them down, but I'm going to use a little sugar for the top. I feel that just kind of helps them not stick, and who doesn't like a little extra sugar on their cookie? Then once I get that done, I'm going to put them in the oven and look at how they puff up. They are so good. I really hope you try this recipe. And then I'm just going to transfer them to the cooling rack. There's a guy I watch on YouTube that cooks, and I can't remember his name. It's Kevin. If I can remember, I'll put a little picture up there in the corner. But Kevin wears these gloves, and they're amazing. These cookies are so good. I just hope you give this a try. I am very happy with this recipe. Look at the bottoms. They just turn, everything about them turns out so good. And it's amazing with them not having any flour or butter in them. So I want to thank you for watching today, and I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. Here I'll put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them.